Have you ever seen a car cabin or an escape tool that can save your life? In this video, we will look at some awesome car gadgets that you can use in your daily life. Links with the prices are in the description below, and please let us know in the comments what type of tech and gadgets you like. Let's go. Number 1. Car charger. This car charger is 100% compatible with smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices. This USB Type-C cable offers a faster, easier, and more convenient way to charge your devices in your car. You don't need various cables to charge each specific device. This charger is completely universal. This car charger's super small design conserves space, allowing seamless access to the rest of your dashboard. Gold-plated circuitry reduces heat, while charging to maximize charging speed and efficiency. Nowadays, it's almost required that you have at least one USB car charger in your car. Twin USB ports pump out a combined 24 watts. It's enough to provide a full-speed charge to 2 phones at once. Number 2. Car cushion. This handy heating and cooling cushion fits comfortably over your seat. It provides instant comfort during those freezing winter evenings and summer afternoons. It has 3 different cooling levels and 2 different heating options. The cushions are protected by a machine-washable cover. This cover adds an extra layer of cushion and comfort. It instantly adds a little more comfort to your ride. The 3D mesh fabric is also super soft, looks amazing, and helps provide optimum ventilation. They are made with premium 100% pure high-density memory foam that won't go flat. The memory foam seat cushions have a layer of cooling gel padding to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the day. This cushion also features an adjustable, removable strap to help keep it from sliding. It's designed to help relieve pressure on your tailbone, lower back, and spine while sitting. The extra long straps have detachable buckles, making them easy to attach to most car seats, desk and office chairs, airplane seats, and wheelchairs. Number 3. Supervisor Escape Tool. This life-saving tool is essential for anyone with a car or truck. It can be an essential addition to your roadside emergency kit. This is small in size but powerful and easy to use. It can be used as a window punch and seatbelt cutter to escape accidents and emergencies. It's simple to use for any driver or passenger. This product is perfect to have one on each car owner to share with family or friends. The seatbelt cutter cuts through the car restraints of you and your passengers, freeing you in an accident. A carbide-tipped glass breaker is used to free yourself, children, and pets from emergencies. It was designed as a life-saving tool accessible in your vehicle. Number 4. Tire Repair Kit. This emergency tire kit includes everything needed for emergency tire repairs. It allows you to repair a flat tire in minutes. The tools and accessories needed for emergency tire repairs come with a portable bag that helps keep things as easy and clean as possible. You can easily keep it in your vehicle for whenever it's needed. It is not always easy to find a repair shop while out on the road. These kits are suitable for emergency repairs and allows you that extra time needed to safely get a real patch or replace a tire. These kits are designed for any tubeless tire. This smart kit fits easily into the trunk for convenient storage and is non-toxic and non-corrosive, making it safe for tires. Number 5. Dash Camera. This dash cam can fit perfectly behind the rearview mirror. No cables hanging there to block your sight. All are hidden wiring, no messy wires, equipped with a state-of-the-art processor and wide dynamic range with WDR technology. It has built-in GPS that accurately records your driving location and speed. View your driving route and tracker on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app. You can use the Robe app to view and manage dash camera recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. Using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. This camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good. It also supports night mode. Super Night Vision technology helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light conditions. It supports up to 512GB memory card. Number 6. Dog Hitch Step. This instant multi-use gadget helps your dog get in and out of your pickup easily. The steps have lots of traction to keep your dog from slipping, giving them confidence and safety. It attaches to the hitch receiver of your vehicle and stores under the bumper when not in use. The Hitch Step is a great alternative to using a vehicle ramp. This gadget can help dogs of all ages into a vehicle. Active dogs can appreciate a step-up after a long day of hiking and other outdoor activities. Number 7. Smart License Plate. This smart license plate cover provides lasting protection. No citations for obscuring your plate, and has innovative patent-pending flexible frame design that protects your vehicle and your license plate better than ever before possible. Its dense all-weather impact-absorbing foam will never rust and has stainless steel reinforced rigidity. It's discreet and has no logos, websites, or insignias. The recessed screw heads won't harm your vehicle. This is all-around great protection and very stylish and functional. Number 8. Rear View Car Camera. These days, it's common sense to have a backup camera whenever you hit the road. These cameras help you park more accurately, but they can also provide some solid legal protection. If you're unfortunate enough to be in an accident, nothing proves your innocence better than video footage. Installing a camera on your vehicle can be more painful than an advantage without the right equipment. You'll never be without video footage or in-car monitoring when you need it. Both car backup camera and backup camera monitor are mountable. The car's rear view camera can be mounted flush or hanging. The car camera monitor has a suction cup allowing it to be mounted on dashboards and windshields. It has color image reproduction and auto white balance features. It can connect to other camera sources and has automatic power on with reverse gear activation. It's also fog resistant and has night vision ability. A backup camera kit with an accurate distance scale line display for proper parking and reversing without relying on side mirrors alone. Number 9. Car Trunk Organizer. If you want to be organized, this multi-purpose organizer can be the best accessory. It is an eco-friendly, professional-grade, heavy-duty material trunk organizer. This trunk organizer offers fantastic storage options. You may want to use it to separate your groceries or keep your other products easily separated. It's accessible for weekends away at the coast, checking out the surf, whatever your reason to be organized in the back. It is water-resistant and abrasion-resistant. This trunk organizer is manufactured with the strongest and most durable Oxford polyester fabric, which can withstand heavy use and pass the test of time. This car accessory can help you achieve optimum organization. It comes with a lot of awesome features. It features reinforced stitching on areas that receive the most wear. This material is waterproof, making this organizer durable and easy to clean. It has non-slip pads to prevent it from moving around as you drive, keeping your items secure and safe. It also has side pockets. The many spacious compartments and pockets can be used for different items, including smartphones, snacks, and more. All pockets are padded or reinforced to ensure it lasts you a long time on the road. Number 10. Tread Pro. The Tread Pro Recovery Board is one of the market's most advanced and best engineered boards. This is the next generation of the world's most advanced all-in-one off-road vehicle recovery boards. Its dual composite structure is designed to get your vehicle out of trouble. It's ready to handle the weight of your vehicle and provide traction when you're stuck. Tread Pro's unique and patented composite construction ensures that in the unlikely event that your wheels spin during a recovery, the ramp teeth will not suffer instant catastrophic damage, as has been experienced with other recovery ramp products. Due to the special nylon material blend, Tread Pros can handle high flex levels. They are highly durable and wear-resistant. It maintains a high level of pressure on your tire to provide ultimate traction, while still being able to take the flex of being under vehicle weight on unstable ground. Integrated design features enhanced ergonomics, provides maximum grip comfort, and controls clear debris and obstructions for optimum tread placement before recovery. This is the gold standard of recovery boards designed for the serious adventurer who eats, sleeps, and breathes exploring. Number 11. Auto Refrigerator. This affordable but durable 44-quart car refrigerator offers enough space. There's plenty of space for your entire family for lunch, drinks, snacks, and quick frozen food. It's also tall enough to store some large bottles. It's perfect for picnic, barbecue, camping, home parties, and travel. You can keep different things on an LED screen controlling the temperature settings such as beverages, fruits, ice cream, vegetables, seafood, meats, skincare, and breast milk. This refrigerator has an anti-slip mat design, which can stay stable and super low noise, so it doesn't disturb. Number 12. Car Trunk Tent. It's a pop-up cabin for your car. You can easily use it to camp in the car or a corner of your living room. It's easy to set up. One person can easily complete the entire setup within 3 to 5 minutes. The capsule is suitable for many models of vehicles, and the round shape integrates with the car perfectly. The rope fixed at the ceiling allows for increased stability and serves as an attachment point for fans or lights. It allows you to experience life fully and immerse yourself in nature without any time or weather influence. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.